Hi! Today we're going to make potting soil, and we're going to use ingredients that we have readily available on hand. This is cocoa peat. Cocoa peat is made from the debris of coconut palms. Here's compost that we make right here on the farm out of kitchen waste and weeds. And this is sand. We're going to mix it all up together very nicely. Mix it all in equal parts. The cocoa peat makes it very nice and fluffy. The sand gives it really good drainage. And the compost is what makes it nutritious and rich. And we fill up the little pots that we have. So we're going to sow some cucumber seeds today. We'll put about 3 seeds in each little pot. We sow them at a depth of about double the width of the seed. And pat them down nicely, and then we're going to take them into the greenhouse to water them with a nice spray of water and keep them in a warm place to grow. And that's it. That's how you make your own potting soil.